Good morning, sir. My name is Xiang and my metric number is A20B1423. Now I would like to present the abstract of this assignment. A system known as Container Transfer System, which is CTS, which has an extensible chassis. The aim of reducing air pollution at the frequency of accident in Malaysia, as well as making logistics easier and greener. CTS with extensible chassis help a district deliver the right product to the customer in the right place at the right time, at the right quantity, at the right price. Next is motivation background. In logistics, road transportation is the least expensive mode of transportation accessible. Road transportation is a basic transportation that had been chosen and used for all Malaysians as a road between two destinations. Due to the increasing use of road transportation in Malaysia, this has also caused air pollution. The carbon emitted from vehicles on the road was a major source of air pollution. Contributing 90% of the total, 67% were generated from cars. With the technology we currently have, we can design a technology that assists logistics in truck road transportation in the shortening the distance that has been to be driven along the delivered product from one location to another. This technology is a system known as Container Transfer System, which has an extensible chassis. A chassis with a wheel-trail frame made specifically to hold and transport various types of containers. Therefore, an numerous container is moved over the railway to truck using the container transfer system with extensible chassis, and the truck then drive the short distance and deliver the goods door to door.
Good day everyone, my name is CHONG with normal metric A20A1306. Now I will start presenting the problem statement. There are three problem statements of extendable chassis. First and foremost, the extendable chassis has faced the problem of becoming a larger container chassis on the road. It can affect the road safety, which will increase the accident and will affect a person fatally or seriously injured. Second, extendable chassis also face the problem of high container chassis cost. This is because there are a lot of design and feature categories for chassis. The need for a chassis will determine whether a logistic company chooses a chassis based on the design or feature. Last but not least, an extendable chassis also face the problem of container management failure. This is because when a logistic company attracts a container chassis to their truck, it makes the container larger and larger, which will increase in the demand for black market commodities, which means cargo thief will increase in the market. The next is discussion. A logistic company can solve the extendable chassis problem by improving company handling techniques. Employees need to receive proper training in how to handle equipment safety at work. For instance, forklift operators should be aware of weight restriction when lifting heavy cargo. A logistic company also can use the different modes of container chassis to reduce the high cost of the container. There are a lot of modes of container chassis such as tree container chassis or common container chassis, which can reduce the cost of logistic company to purchase a chassis. Last but not least, a logistic company can avoid the problem of container management by improving the technology in its organization. In today's technological society, it's very easy for a logistic company to improve and update their equipment. Many companies keep their cargo safe by using the Internet of Things and sensor to track the location and status of cargo beginning carry.
Greetings everyone, my name is Xiang with the matrix number A20A1298. Today I would like to present the part of relevant literature and model for our group assignment, which was Container Transfer System with a new add-on which was Extendable Chassis. In the part of relevant literature, our group found 4 sources that related to our topic. The first is in December 1984 by KHIN and M. Burns. The title of the journal is Design of an Automatic Control System for Train-to-Train Container Transfer. The basic idea of a new method of container transfer is the following. Containers shall change from one goods train into another as people change from one passenger train to another. The second source is in January 2008 by Yong Jing Lee, Jing Wong Lee, Hyun Chiu Chu, and Kwan Sun Lee. The title of the journal is Precision Position Controller of Linear Motor-Based Container Transfer System. A more progressive and adaptive control mechanism should be required to control a system with large variation of container weight. For the third source, in December 2014, the article by Juraj Jakarchak and R. Kubaskova. The title of the article is Load Distribution in General Purpose Maritime Container and the analysis of load distribution on extendable semi-trailer container chassis carrying different types of containers. This article deals with the load distribution requirements for loading of general purpose maritime container to be suitable for handling in terminals and for road carriage. The fourth source, in December 2022, the article by Xing Lin, Yue Zhu and Zheng Xie. The title of the article is Mechanics, Modeling and Simulation Analysis of a Novel Articulated Chassis for Forestry. According to the principle of multiple degree of freedom profiling, a novel articulated chassis for forestry was designed. In the part of model, our container transfer system has additional functions which was extendable chassis that was set up behind the truck and behind the trains. The extendable chassis could carry more containers and handle more weight of the containers. It could save time for the truck to go back and forth many times in a single day. Container transfer system could reduce the use of cranes and make the environment greener due to less pollution. It combined the ideas of system engineering, software engineering, and industrial engineering together to form the container transfer system. The container transfer system that added value with extendable chassis was invented for high cargo security, flexibility, and the important part could save time in sorting and material handling. That's all from my part. Thank you.
Good day, sir. My name is Lee Carmen and my metric number is A2081411. I will present about the expected contribution of extendable chassis. Extendable chassis and container transport system are expected to contribute the same to lower operating and transport costs. Extendable chassis can carry more or heavier containers due to the emphasis and durability of the steel constructions of the material they use. This will help transport costs to fall again, thus repeat more profits. Extendable chassis change so that more containers can be shipped directly to the yard without having to go to the dock like a port. And they don't have to be grounded due to space constraints. This can reduce the loss and shortage of goods caused by theft, dampness, and falling, and reduce the waste of social waste due to the reductions of loss and shortage of goods, but also has great social benefit. The second expected contribution of the extendable chassis is to reduce environmental and air pollution. Fuel consumption and exhaust emissions from logistic activity are the main causes of environmental pollution. So the extendable chassis for our innovative truck is that the more containers or heavier the container, the fewer trips between the train and the truck. This will not only help effectively eliminate cross-transportation and transport conjunctions, but also improve the efficiency of urban transport transportations and reduce the empty car rate. Extendable chassis trucks reduce the number of trips made while saving energy and reducing air pollution. However, technology from the container transport systems and extendable chassis could simplify route infrastructures and even reduce CO2 emissions by more than 50%. The third expected contribution from the extendable chassis make the arrival time faster than expected. Extendable chassis trucks can be loaded into containers heavier than regular trucks and carry more goods. It reduces the time it takes to more containers that need to be received urgently. The advantage of shipping containers by rail is that there will be no conjunctions. Trucks with containers transport system and extendable chassis can increase efficiency by reducing operating and loading times and speeding up delivery time to customer and destination. This helps logistics deliver the right product to the customers at the right time, at the right place, in the right quality, at the right price. That's all from me and my friend.